Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add product review content on Gumroad. So actually guys, at first you will need to go to the gumroad.com website and then go to your dashboard. Okay, it's a button that you can find at the top right corner of the page, and after that all you need to do is to go with the left hand menu, scroll a little bit and click on the library option. And then just go with discover products. Okay, click it. So here where you can actually preview the products of the others. Okay, so if you want yours to be just like that, you will need go to the products option on the left hand menu and then just choose a product from that list, okay, to edit it or to create a new one, and then just go with the content tab at the top, and after that all you need to do right here is upload the main products file, for example PDF, mp3, video. So you can upload it just from here. So go just with upload file, so you can embed the media, computer files or Dropbox files, so it's up to you. Let's consider that you want to go with computer files option. So once you click it, it will be forwarded into your images or videos right here. So you only just select a video or an image of your actual products, or just go with upload your files option from here and you will have the same options on the upload files. Okay, even you can add pages, go with insert, so you can add buttons, extra, review. Also you can go with library here and add the images too on the library, on the receipt. Okay, and once finished all you need to do is go with post review and then save changes, then publish and continue. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.